Hello everyone, welcome to my another session of a string of how to extract a specific characters. So we are now at a point number 7. So between the identical symbols, okay. So here we have a table on the address column. We want to retrieve a data between these two hyphens. So let's check how we can achieve this. So basically whenever you want to extract some part of the string within the string, then you have to use a substring. Let me use substring from tbl employee on address column. I will say let's take column number 6 and take the 5 characters. Address, let me print the address column. Okay, so I will start from 8 and I will pick up 5 characters. So this is hard coded, okay, for now. So if you can say this is not correct because length of string is different here than this. Okay, so now we want to retrieve 98765 also. So how we can achieve this using the formula? Okay, so at this point we are good. Substring on this address column, this is start index, this is the length of the index. Okay, we need to work on getting the information from this and this. So what is the business logic that we have to apply? So from the left hand side we will identify the character hyphen and we will take the position of that, okay, as a part of substring. So instead of 8, let me take we can use this left minus 1 CHARINDEX number. Let's check this. Okay, this is invalid because left will return a string, but in the substring we will need a integer value. So let's check what this will return. I will also print this information here. Now is the left side of the string. Address left, comma. Yes. So I could see it is printing. Okay, this is on name. Sorry, my bad. It should be on address. This should be on address. Okay. So we could see it is getting the correct part from the left side of this hyphen. Okay. So this will be my start index. No, my start index would be the 9 here, 2 here, 4 here, and 1 here. So after this hyphen, so what I will do, instead of -1 I will say +1. Here also I will say +1. Now let's check. Correct. So if you see here 1429, so my last character is 1429, so my start index should be from this only. Okay, see if you see here my start index will be this position and my length is 5. This 5 is hard coded. Now suppose my data is different. Okay, suppose I don't have this. Now let me check again. Now, this is incorrect. See, it has written 9875 and hyphen also. This hyphen is not required. We will need the data only between the hyphens. So what we will do, the next business logic is length of this string, entire string, minus the start position, and we will to reverse at the end position. So length of the entire string minus length of left string. Here now we will not perform a plus one. Okay, and minus length of right, and we need to reverse. Let me check output. Correct. Now you can see we are getting the data between these two hyphen characters. So how we have achieved this? So let's print everything here now. This is total length. Left length, right length. Let's understand this. So this is a total length 20. My start position is let me okay. Left. So my start position is 8 8 here and 5 here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. Ninth is my start position. Now total length is my 16 minus my right hand side part is sorry, left hand side part is 4. So my position is 4. The total length minus 4. Okay, this has removed. Now from the right hand side we have now reversed the string. Then we again receive the length of the right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so till the position 5. So this is how it has calculated. 16 minus 4, okay, it's 12, and minus 8, it's around 4 characters. Similarly 20 minus 7 minus 8, it's 5 characters. That is why it is printing this values between the hyphens. Now last part is between the two different symbols. Let me check how I can cover this in this only. Let's print the name. Okay. I want to retrieve the data between the hyphen and the at the rate. So everything is same. I just need to replace this by at the rate. And now I'll print name. Right. Again, I could see a correct values, the same logic. I just have to change the length of based on this at the rate character, the second character, which is at the right hand side. Okay. So this is how we can find the text between the two identical characters or two different characters.